bless you all. Happy New Year na bino nyonso boza kolanda biso. Nanga Sœur Blondine. Et puis naza awana.
It's your brother Emmanuel Pro. I welcome you to our YouTube channel again. Happy New Year to you all. I believe God will bless you and thank you in advance for watching my video. For further ado, please like the video, subscribe and comment below. God will bless you.
Yeah, as Emmanuel just say Happy New Year. Na ipona pesa no ba bonne année na husband na ngai. Depuis que to benga ke Emmanuel, mais aga na Congo. Happy New Year, my husband.
Thank you.
Happy New Year na bana na ngai, mes enfants. Et na ba belle famille na ngai. Bonne année na famille na ngai. Happy New Year encore. Bito pesa Happy New Year na banani.
Voilà.
Na ba abonné na biso.
Oh,
Abonné à Career Talk.
Yeah.
Vraiment Happy New Year na all of you out there. Vraiment pour s'abonner na chaîne na biso ya YouTube.
So what's the purpose of this video today?
Ya wish biso Happy New Year. Wish maintenant Happy New Year, ça fait longtemps. To be que to salut vidéo te, na bite yo faut wish ba Happy New Year na bite au pesi en global, mais nga to ke na you know, specific.
Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to my family. Happy New Year to my in-laws family. I mean to your family, to my wife's family. And Happy New Year to my friend. I don't have friends anyway. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year to you all.
Happy New Year na.
Happy New Year to my
our client.
Yeah,
Emmanuel Pro. Donc ba client na biso nyonso Emmanuel Pro vraiment. Happy New Year na bino. Vraiment on a invité na biso nyonso to yambaki année à 2019 na Career Talk. Lève-toi et marche. Vraiment Happy New Year na bino. So what's
the difference between Career Talk and Lève-toi et marche? Tell me.
Bon, Career Talk normalement est a chaîne, that is a channel. Ils ont travaillé dans la chaîne, yango émission là normalement Lève-toi et marche, mais on travaille dans quatre. Il y a Career Talk.
So Career Talk is an émission. The Career Talk is the name of YouTube channel, name of our channel, Career Talk
TV. Nous na la banane sur la main de l'Éternel. Là vraiment na oki ko manquer en côté na pesi na bona na bossa na donc banane sur la main de l'Éternel.
That was the best.
L'Éternel vraiment. Maman Judith Kapunga vraiment pena mobile naie toute la famille et puis toute famille il y a la main de l'Éternel vraiment. Na pesi bino ba Happy New Year na bino tikete année à l'année de bonheur. Année moko nzamba on même so encore musika to kota la ba dom mais vraiment na ba dimension mususu.
Thank you.
Happy New Year on a nani.
Happy New Year na nani. I already wish my family, I wish your family, you wish the church, our clients, our subscribers, your friends, I think you did.
I don't really have friends anymore. I have ba connaissance normally, yeah. So Happy New Year na ba connaissance nanga tout.
Oh, so
yeah, I don't really have friends.
Rhythm. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So I don't really have friends. So I have family.
You had
I have
friends.
Connaissance.
I
had friends. Before.
She had 1,000 friends.
Yeah, but now I don't have friends anymore.
She's lonely.
I have family. Obviously.
She's so lonely.
Family. I'm not lonely. Do I look like lonely to you? No, I love that.
You had friends.
Happy New Year to my friend here. My husband, my friend. Oh, I forgot him. Oh, I forgot. You are there. So that's my friend. That's my friend. That's my partner. That's my husband. My everything. So ma connaissance na ngani also. Donc Happy New Year na bino.
So
c'est ça.
The Lord to Zana purpose moko because we know that it's 2020. So last year I believe all of you set a goal, but we don't want to say nini where's a goal and like a success or nini that's your business, that's your prophecy. We don't want to go to anyone's prophecy. But this year again, we're all going to write 3 questions. 3 questions. Each. But I'll go only 2 questions. Because my mind is not thinking. You know what time it is? So we're about 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning. So this is the best time that we can film because all our kids are sleeping.
Yeah.
And so the house is very quiet.
Yeah.
So I believe they are drilling us now. They are drilling us now because they love us so much. I believe they are drilling us now. So 3 questions. I only got 2 questions. I believe my wife will go even 4, 5, or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because ladies always love to show off. So my wife is going to ask question, and then we're going to discuss it, and I'm going to ask, and we're going to discuss it. So
tout pour na 3 secret, ngana invité la question ni oya bongisi. Et rupe ko ça coïncidence.
No, wait.
It might be. Et ko ça coïncidence.
So I got a cough, yeah. I got a cough. My voice is dry.
Donc même là, tu peux le kisate, quand même to wish.
Even though I'm sick, even though I'm sick, I have to do it for you guys.
Yeah. First question is, na année 2020, et là on est bien, il y a malamu, oyo, on m'a dit c'est like a good thing.
Wow. The first thing in 2019, the best thing that happened to me in 2019, like in Congo, has been for long. And then, sometimes when you left your country was a minor, not even adult, but it was a minor, and then you go back like an adult. Not like an adult, but you go back, it was an adult. Actually adult, so it was something good. And then like in Nengamota, I went with my wife.
Yeah,
for the first time. Like in our wife in Congo, and we had some best time. For that was the best thing happened to me in 2019.
Wow. I wanna pesa moko ya best thing nangape, best time nangana had, to go out. Best time nanga obviously ndé mon ben aïssa lobby ngana loba air pour ça qui voyage aussi en France.
Okay.
Kobi me un peu na family was really a release.
Yeah, but Tom is like Baba can Cardiff.
Baba can Cardiff, yeah. Man, when we went together
like yeah, because that's their dream. They always dream to go Paris.
I felt very good because normally we don't really travel.
Yeah.
Normally we don't really travel, so it was kind of the first,
family trip.
Yeah, first trip, yeah. For our family, so it was a first trip, but it was wonderful. We had a wonderful time with our kids.
Despite one of our kids was sick.
Yeah.
But
she
enjoyed it.
Yeah, we did enjoy it. Like moi, pour changer mon environnement, et ça allait vraiment bien. L'année, vraiment. Et ça vraiment, Babylone quoi bien aussi, yako ça là. Et zo le on appelle moi stress mon sous.
What is 2020 for you?
Wow, that is a good question. 2020. Moi, je vais une année de plus, nous n'avons pas passé encore. Ils ont grâce, je veux dire, ils ont vraiment grâce et comme année parce que tout le monde a été peut-être luka qui va comme année ba comité ba missus go to le 24 ba kwei ba missus le 31 pe ka décembre on a ba kufi na ba accident na makambo belé mais nzambe a komisinga vraiment na 2020 vraiment na lobeza eza grâce donc ndenge eza grâce wana donc na olinga te ke na sakana na ne yango kaka ko sakana ka bisaka sakana me na olinga nde na sala oyo ko please mutu apesinga pe mawana mutu allowed ngana koma na 2020 wana donc eza ye donc na pesa nde lokumu wana epa na ye pina na sala oyo eza volonté na 2020.
2020 for me is additional year first, and the second one is a year of destiny. It's a year of victory. It's a year of accomplishment. So in this year, with me and my family and everyone surrounding us, we will to Muna all the Lord will do, or all the Lord will wonder people with lot of stuff, good stuff. So this year for me is also stand as year of accomplishment, prosperity, destiny, why not victory?
L'année 2019, what have you learned?
2019, I have learned a lot. So 2019 is like, it had been like, it was like a teacher to me. It has taught me a lot of things that I've been learned. So good stuff and bad stuff, I've learned a lot. And I know sometimes in life we always try to. Anyway, let me be in short. I don't want to go to my private life a lot, but 2019 has taught me how to be more independent, not just to think about but with by dinner or but with by dinner. Why not project pourquoi pas na but with dinner? But just teach me that you can have this, you can have that. Don't even care about your friends. Don't even care about your family. Don't even care about even though surround you. Just care about the person who God placed to you. Who are we don't feel vision that. So, I'm not out of breath, but na flu. Now flu to cough. It's very dry cough. So that was what happened in 2019, and then I will bring it to 2020. So yeah.
Yeah, what I'm gonna learn is like to believe in yourself, na you can do something. Kondima na cœur. Ou qui pour ça quelque chose na vie parce que moto c'est son tara aussi limité un peu au monde à quoi est-ce qu'on a encore ça les locaux boy est-ce qu'on a encore ni boy donc année on peut et teaching vraiment que il y a ko believe qu'on dit maintenant na self no que je peux aussi faire quelque chose oui là yeah another question.
Okay,
Projet 2000 sorry
that's the second question. So this is going to be my second one, right?
What's your second one? Me, I mean my first one.
What are you expecting, or what are you aiming to do in this year, 20?
Hey, it's just some question. That's what I told you.
Let me see.
Because my one was projet. But projet ni osa on année.
Okay, let's show them.
Sorry, my writing. Yeah. So that's what I was saying. I knew maybe it might link together. So yeah, I think it's just the same question. So what we say, na sala makamba sika, na try new things. Leto loba na ite na leto na lingala to one na meka makamba sika po na meka biloko sika. Ba place on a ko kate na try parce que na vie il faut toujours ko meka. Ozomona parce que oyeba kaka ba habilité na yo. Na temps yo meki quelque chose. Eza lo kwa msusu ebi ke na koka peut-être ko lamba pondu te. OK, ça na meka na yekola na meka ndeni na okipo olamba pondu. Do ba bilo mo eza oyo oza o maîtriser tes mains. On dimi ke bité tikana sa ni na salango.
You have to know me.
You started already.
My dad.
You used to do it.
It blessed me when I was younger. Okay. When I was living my dad's place. Yeah. He was calling me, come to do this for me, media stuff. I was editing picture for my dad and stuff like that. Even in the time, like, I'm not even interested in the media. So at that time, I was more focusing on football.
Yeah.
So, but, that was one of my skills. So when I met you, he said, I got this, can I do these kind of skills as well? And then I said, let's give it a go. Yeah, so, and then, anyway. So for me, this year, basically, now work like my business very closely with my wife. Because I just, sometimes you need to learn from your mistakes. And then you need to realize your mistakes as well. I'm not good with financial management. My weakness, financial. No, I'm not good. No financial management. So this pretty woman you see here, she can do the wonders. So
by God's grace.
God always bless us. So she will work closely with me this year. My e-production. So all the singers that I'm going to produce this year, she's the one going to contact them. She's the one going to settle.
Really?
What they call it?
It's a big job.
The budget. Because she's a singer as well, so she will know. Below quality and then. Ponga ming na vision ya ba misia konga beta ka. There are vision no to ba vision one na wande mataka so. That's my goal this year. This year for me like e-production. Isn't it about to make the swing bénédiction quoi. Because God always bless her, c'est très clair que dans un projet dans mon église ba bénir ango ba tanka maboko yeah. Na bi ke tolobaka ba Congolais to amita mabe. That's what we always say. Talk to ke Congolais amita mabe. We need to stop it this year. 2022. Faut to stop amo. Mota moro ba ke amita mabe okota en mona mtam no. Amta mtam okota en mona mtam. Why now? So the Mutamabe, you learn from Mutamabe, upon Mutamabe. So I didn't happen Mutamabe. That's what I always tell my wife. Is that something I learned Navi? Is that okay? I'm not there not pointing mistakes about. I have to check myself first.
That's what I was thinking you would say that you've learned.
Is it?
Yeah. I was waiting for it.
For that.
But you didn't. You didn't say.
I just
Yeah. It came up.
Came up here. Yeah. So, na te po na otala mabe abatu, mais na comme na face avec na otala why that person is upset with me. That means I have done something wrong to that person. So na me checking on ngamoko post. And the next time so na monike so il faut na aussi la évaluation ya ngamoko with that person none. Why this, why that, why this, why that. And then I come à la conclusion. Si qu'on a biso ba Congolais, na sala pe évaluation na pende na okapi ba balobaka ko sana monike biso ba Congolais tuzana na tuleki na ba tamoro dur makas. Tuleki na tamoro dur bana veli banda ta ya colonisation ta indépendance tilelo. Tuleki na tamoro dur siko tuzana motuna biso eleki na passe souffrance mingi alors mona moto biso Congolais so c'est vraiment tout ba malembe te tout ba makasi parce que motuna biso eza na tout le monde va passer mingi presque tous les Africains ko yango sala biso bongo yango mona siko toza siko na problème moko ya ba déception la déception mo makasi na mutima ko tout le monde mabe ba basala biso yango mona ke tout le monde tout le monde tout sur yango muta réaction mona ninga mabe parce que comment on a muta mabete ils ont la déception tout ça on a mutima parce que faut tout réparer en gros que tout mi boumi ça biso mo ke na arrive pas prendre muta mabe I think this year biso nyo ba Congolais from me and my wife and all the rest of the Congolese people if to try to change a bit to longola no okay ba Congolais tamita mabe to lingani tete to ba o Congolais zandoki
to tika to s'aimer peut aussi those things et I'm saying it do inside us mais au mon avis mon seul to sangana biso pe boy on appelle problème exactement bo ce qui na mina bo sepeli bonini vraiment tout comme on a moi mindset moi je pense hein et au monde la macam parce que mon état congolais moi comme balé bailler va soutenir yo c'est quelque chose yaya c'est quelque chose parce que on peut pas toujours tout ça quand battre son na sac moko tu vois donc de tobaka que ba congolais ba bientôt de congolais za motema mabe moi je pense biso mo photo mec mutu yo moko ya rolo ba que congolais za bientôt congolais za nité yo mo no make différence parce que à vous pointer mutu yo mo no est-ce que toi-même tu fais au yozoloba tu vois moi je pense faut total là aussi babilo musupe na angle on a par rapport à ko pointer ba congolais ba congolais en banane ça veut dire you are talking about yourself as well donc biso moto luka to ça nini to longola moi et loko wana
anyway
it was a good time we had. Yeah, it was very good time We love you so much, guys.
I love you.
Keep watching this channel. Beau sab vraiment. Je vous invite à sab.
So when is your next emission?
Soon. New year, new things, but I know that this year is a tough year for me. I know that to proclamer the bonnes choses, mais is that year more very tough because
You do a lot of stuff.
now
As a student,
marriage,
you got kids,
mama, you
you got husband,
a husband, I need to feed
you
him.
go work. You feed, what do you mean? Feed me food?
Food, yeah, that is so. La meilleure You know what I mean? Là, vraiment, la pression. Il y a au moins peut-être des missions, puis à carrer, il y a tout qui is all loading caca.
That's why we don't do it like we try to do like 10 emissions and then put it and stop there. People watch. We don't want to do like he's not a series,
No.
He's not gonna.
Yeah, because tu as besoin de s'abonner paiement, tu vois. Et ça quand tu t'as tiré below when at end of the day so ba views et belete tout we want more viewers. Also we need more viewers. Et puis tu need more sub, vraiment. People missed le 15 février 2020 où on a Liberty Church.
La Liberty Church.
Concert, il y a frère Alain Kassongo. Vraiment, vous allez bêler, vraiment. Je dis, we love you. Have a lovely time. To come back soon.
Soon.